Hi everyone, today is the day we've all been waiting for. The Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday Deal 2023 is live and is packed with incredible savings and exclusive bonuses. I'm here to give you the scoop, so let's dive in. First things first, let's talk discounts. You can save up to $691 on Wealthy Affiliates memberships. It's a limited time offer, so make sure to grab it before it's gone. Go to the description below for links to this offer. Now, if you're new to Wealthy Affiliate, let me tell you why it's a game changer for aspiring affiliate marketers and online entrepreneurs. Established in 2005, Wealthy Affiliate has become a global community with over 2.5 million members in 190 countries. It's not just a platform. It's a supportive community with tools and resources to help you navigate the world of online business, including affiliate marketing, and to achieve financial success. Let's take a look at some of the services and tools Wealthy Affiliate offers to empower its members. With over 500 training courses, from beginner-friendly fundamentals to advanced strategies, you will learn from experienced affiliate marketers. You can also connect with over 2.5 million members, asking questions and share experiences for accelerated progress. You can create professional-looking websites with a user-friendly drag-and-drop builder. You can access marketing tools, such as web hosting service, keyword research tools, niche finder tool, affiliates program search tool, and traffic analysis tools to optimize your strategies. Earn commissions by promoting Wealthy Affiliate to others and expand the community. You can also follow the training and be an affiliate for other products too, not necessarily just for Wealthy Affiliate. Premium members get one-on-one coaching and personalized support for overcoming challenges. There are many more training services and tools. Go to the description below for the link to my blog post where you get lots more information, a lot of details. Now let's talk about what's new for this Black Friday deal. Introducing Site Content plus AI Article Designer, a powerful combination for easy content creation coming on December 5th. Then there's Business Hubs, a comprehensive control center for your business. Also on December 5th, a complete refresh of core training, equipping you for success in 2024. And exclusive to Premium Plus members on December 15, the AI Author Platform beta version, your personal AI assistant for content creation. In early 2024, the full release of the AI Author Platform will be for Premium and Premium Plus members. So when you sign up as a Premium member, you get this also. With these advancements, there's never been a better time to start or grow your online business with Wealthy Affiliate. And guess what? Wealthy Affiliate is offering its lowest pricing ever with the best product it has ever delivered. For just $297 a year, you can get the premium membership, saving $291. Or you can go big with the Premium Plus membership for $497 a year, saving a whopping $691. But here's the kicker. The forever pricing promise that they give to all members. Lock in your discounted rate for as long as you stay as a member, even after the Black Friday period ends. Remember, this offer is only available for the next couple of days, so don't wait. Click on the link below to grab it now. Go to the description, I provide the links to this offer. And hey, when you sign up through my link, you get exclusive bonuses from me, Timotheus. You'll receive free training, business and marketing tips, direct access to me for guidance, and exclusive promotions. It's my way of saying, hey, thanks for choosing Wealthy Affiliate through my link. So go to the description below for links to this offer and claim your exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to supercharge your online business journey. Thanks for joining me today. Happy Black Friday, and I'll see you on the inside. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.